Configure Price Quote, typically abbreviated as CPQ, is an automated solution which enables companies to quickly and consistently generate accurate quotes for sales orders of configurable products. A typical CPQ solution comes in the form of a product configurator, allowing users to select options and customize products, ultimately creating and delivering a quote. These product configurators improve operational efficiency by allowing guided selling techniques to be implemented for faster configuration, as well as rules and logic, ensuring that all quoted products are available, deliverable, and free of errors while considering applicable discounts and quantities. Many CPQ solutions exist, such as Salesforce, Oracle, and SAP, and interest in CPQ automation as a business investment has increased consistently since at least 2016. A successful CPQ implementation can dramatically improve response time to customer requests for quotes, while improving accuracy and ensuring product availability, as CPQ solutions are typically integrated with enterprise databases such as ERP and CRM systems. These solutions, while objectively valuable, leave out one critical component: CAD data for manufacturing. Though quotes may be produced very quickly, this often results in yet another bottleneck in the design and engineering department. DriveWorks Professional is a partner program for SOLIDWORKS design software, best known for its rules-based design automation capability for parts, assemblies, and even manufacturing drawings. As you might expect, this significantly reduces the design and engineering time required for each design iteration, which can be particularly impactful when multiple design changes are required. In addition, however, DriveWorks Pro is also a fully featured CPQ solution, providing automated sales documentation such as quotes, cover letters, and bills of materials, along with integrated connections to ERP, PLM, and CRM systems just like its competitors. Together with design automation, this makes DriveWorks Professional a true CPQ for manufacturing solution, enabling guided selling for even the most complex products with variable dimensions and billions of potential configurations. This unique and powerful combination of both CPQ and rules-based automation functionality allows companies to develop intuitive configurators which can be used to specify new products and rapidly produce not only sales documentation, but also the critical CAD documents required for manufacturing, eliminating the potential for downstream bottlenecks and ensuring consistency from initial sale to final product. Naturally, the flow of this data and required approval processes can be customized, allowing for standardization and complete quality control from start to finish. The simplicity of rules-based configurators in DriveWorks Professional enables sales representatives, marketing team members, dealers, or even customers themselves to generate new designs on demand, along with all required documentation, while guaranteeing engineering accuracy and inventory availability. Powerful extensions such as DriveWorks Live allow configurators to be embedded online for use internally, publicly, or both, and the CPQ Drive app provides a customizable administration command center for monitoring and managing the status of quotes, orders, accounts, and contacts. CPQ solutions provide businesses with the opportunity to significantly improve operational efficiency, but not all CPQ solutions are created equally. To get started and learn more about how DriveWorks can streamline your sales, design, and manufacturing processes, reach out to Hawk Ridge Systems and start doing more with less today.